So guys, today I'm going to be giving you guys a quick guide on how to perform a swap on STONFI Dex platform. So first of all, you need to go to any of your web browser. It could be Google Chrome, it could be Chrome, it could be Opera Mini. Once you get there, you search for stonfi.com, or you click on ston.fi, any of the above. So once you do that, it's going to bring you down to this page. But once you get here, you are not yet there yet. Next thing you have to do is click on the go-to app that is here. Then it is of course click to take you to their main official platform. So this is what their platform actually looks like, as you can see here. But first thing you need to have in mind is, before you can actually perform any transaction here, you first of all need to make sure that your wallet is connected. So in case your wallet is not connected, you see over this section, right? You are going to see the option for connect wallet. So all you just simply need to do is click on connect wallet option that you'll be seeing here, and then they are going to bring out a variety of options for wallet you can actually choose, of which the wallets are going to be seen there are majorly wallets from the Tone blockchain. For example, wallets like my Tone wallet, my Tone keeper, my Tone hope, and the rest of them. So you can easily just click on any one of them based on the one you actually have or you've been using for some time. So once you're done connecting, the balance to that your wallet is actually going to be reflecting over here. Show you graph. So mine is actually like this one because I've actually connected already, so I have no need going to the connect session anymore. So once you are there, you can see that we are automatically on the swap page already. So over here now, you can see we have Ton and Stone here. So this Ton now, you see it says you send. So this place now, this is where you are going to input you are going to choose the coin you want to swap. And over here you receive, this is where you are going to choose the coin you want to swap to or receive. So for instance, I want to swap from Ton to Dogs. All I'm going to do is I'm going to have to switch this Stone to Dogs. So I'll just look for Dogs. I'll search Dogs, and this is Dogs. So that is it. After doing that now, the next thing I'll have to do is impute the amount of Ton I want to swap to Dogs. So you just have to come here and input if it's 1 ton, 2 ton, 3 ton. You go by, okay, let's say for instance I want to swap 5 ton and input it here. So you see 5 ton is worth $24.30, right? So this is the equivalent of $24.30, which you are going to be receiving in Dogs. So you see over here it is going to be 82,331 Dogs at a rate of $24.20. So the 10 cents that was supposed to be here was actually taken as the gas fee, of which is actually very, very cheap and affordable to me. So that's just all you need to understand. And after everything now, once you're done inputting the amount you want to swap, you come over here and click on confirm. Mine is actually showing like this because I don't have a ton currently in my wallet, but in case you do, the next you have to do, just come to this particular section and click on confirm. So once you are done confirming the transaction, it's going to take you nothing less than 1 minute to 2 minutes for everything to be processed, and next thing, your Ton is going to be converted to Dogs. That is all. Thank you guys.